Welcome, everyone! Today we are going to talk about the third section of our Connecting Campus Life tutorial, the trip to Kleve. But remember that you can easily find all the other sections by clicking on the playlist suggested at the end of the video, or by clicking on the specific links found in the additional information section below. Like we mentioned in the first section of the tutorial, in the third section, we cover the whole transfer at Geldern Bahnhof, from the bus station there to the train that takes us to Kleve. Back to our story. Valeria is now walking to the train station in Geldern, from the bus station where she arrived.
Now we need to find our train to Kleve, which should be over there.
As we can see on the map, the bus station is only 2 minutes away from the Geldern train station, so walking there is the most straightforward way to get there.
Yeah, so we are at the platform number 1, and as you can see, Richtung Kleve, it means it goes direction to Kleve. So that's how you can be sure that you're going the right direction, because the other one is going to Düsseldorf. Yeah. Also, again, here you could maybe buy the ticket if you don't have it. But as I said, students have the Deutschenkarte. But here, yeah. Usually you could find a way to Kleve.
Speaking of the student semester ticket, we covered it during the previous section of the tutorial. However, we wanted to make sure that everybody knew about the fact that you must have a specific student certificate with you when using your ticket. This is why we will briefly cover how to find and download this document, so you can always have it on you. First, go onto the HIS online website of our university and log in with your credentials. Then click on the orange Student Services button at the main menu. Once the window loads, click on the Request Reports button, and then, at the new window, follow by clicking on the Common Reports option. There, you have to locate the current semester's Proof of Enrollment document. Download it as a PDF by clicking on the printer button next to it. And finally, make sure you make a physical copy of it to carry with you everywhere. Now back to Valeria. We can see that she is still at the Geldern station waiting for her train to Kleve. Isn't it great to have a full view of this peaceful train station? Oh look, our train to Kleve is finally here. Be careful not to trip when boarding the train. Might seem silly now, but it happens to many. Now that we are all set and comfortable on the train, let's take a look at the map. As you can see, the distance between Geldern and Kleve is the longest in our whole trip. However, thanks to the speed of the train, it only takes about 34 minutes to arrive there. Val will report when she arrives at Kleve, but for now, she can enjoy the rural landscape out the window. We have come to the end of the third section of our tutorial. Feel free to continue to the next section or stay a bit longer for the 3-question review quiz. How far away is the Geldern bus station from the train station? What is the name of the document you always have to carry to use your student ticket? What has been the longest travel distance so far? Awesome! See you next time!